My mom counted the rooms. My husband tested the couch. I'm about to show you why this Dunkirk house works. I'm Dr. Letta Burgess, and today I brought my mom.
I translate real estate to real life.
And my husband.
I'm here to see if it's actually functional.
Let's go inside and check it out. When you walk in, vaulted ceilings, grand entrance. This is Tall Oaks in Dunkirk. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, over 5,500 square feet.
The ceilings make an impression.
Kitchen, dining, living room, it all connected that feeling like one giant space.
You can move through here without tripping over furniture.
That's practical. The upstairs master suite features a double vanity, soaking jet tub, and a separate shower.
Jet tub, that's luxury.
You can actually relax in there.
Not just rinse off and go. This is a spa bathroom. 3 more bedrooms, 2 full baths, and these aren't tiny secondary rooms. These are real, usable bedrooms.
Livable space throughout.
This fully finished basement offers plenty of opportunities.
This could be the man cave.
But there are multiple rooms down here.
Well, this could be the man cave.
You said that about the last room.
Backup man cave.
99 Hummingbird Court in Dunkirk, Maryland is listed for $850,000. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, over 5,500 square feet, designed for how people actually live. 2 first-floor offices, a deck that works for any occasion, a spa-level master bath, and a space that's comfortable, not just big. Whether you're looking for this property or finding your perfect home anywhere in Maryland, I'm here to help. I'm Dr. Letta Burgess. All my contact info is in the description below.